Exploring the depths of the volcano. Can Victor bring back the world's most precious red diamond? Victor is a treasure hunter. He is tracking the legendary volcanic treasure. It is rumored that deep within the volcano lies an invaluable red diamond, but no one who has ever entered has returned. Victor, equipped with heat-resistant gear, ventures deep into the volcano. The closer he gets to the lava, the more he feels a strange force pulling him toward the volcano's core. Suddenly, a burst of intense flames erupts from the ground, nearly burning him. At that moment, Victor sees the red diamond, quietly floating above the lava, as if waiting for him. But just as he approaches, the volcano begins to tremble violently, as if it will not allow anyone to take its treasure. Will Victor succeed in escaping and bring back the one-of-a-kind red diamond? Stay tuned as I read part 2 for more great stories.